Hey fellas, this is something you should do. Try to be nice to me, then I'll be nice to you. Try promoting a bit of love for all, not for the few who can afford the ticket to the ball. All of y'all should love another. Love your sisters, love your brothers, love your fathers and your mothers. Love your uncles and your aunts. Love the thing you think you can't. Love the things you did yesterday, even if today you would have done them different ways. If you wouldn't even have done it today, then be glad you stopped doing things that way. Hey guys, let's not be flies in the eyes of the spiders, guys. Then we will seem easy to conquer. I wonder if that was ever good for anyone. I wonder if it ever was, but then again, sometimes I don't, and sometimes I do other things, and sometimes I crash. Sometimes I crash, sometimes I crash. I get a rash from the crash, and then I scratch that record on my DJ turntable. And I spin it at 78, cause that is how fast that I am able. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't think that you will care, but I know that it's fun for me to do, so I do it anyway, but not for you. Oh, it's all for me, as far as I can see. And a few people who keep looking at me on the interwebs and on the internet, both places, I guess. Hey, relax, we'll get that axe, then we'll sharpen it with our hatred, then we'll plant it underground, next to the corpse of the patron. Whatever that means. If it ever makes its way up here, we'll deal with that one day when we're clear on whose fault it was anyway. But I don't hold dear this idea of yeah. sexes and stuff. I don't think that they are good enough for the objective that they previously was. Now we have things like chainsaws, and we'll bury them in meatballs. When we get angry enough, we'll make sure you know we are tough. But sure enough, that's not the message I want to convey. Let's be happy, let's all have it that way. Let's be together forever and ever. Maybe you would like to play tether ball. I have a cap for your feather, y'all. If you ever wonder where I went to, that time when you thought I was through, I went to a place that was not for you, that you heard of before, that I won't come to you with, 'cause it's not that thing you wanna hear, neither is the thing I say. And if I have some beers and say it anyway, then I apologize, 'cause it's not who I am, and I'm really nice. You should all be nice with me, ha ha hee hee. Can't you see you on the sea, mail, please. Hey Donald, let's be pleasant, like Donald Pleasance. Well, I guess not like Donald Pleasance. It's the essence of being pleasant when you think about it, to become addressing these people as your equal. It's not the hype of the sequel. It's a thing that you can't be true to. Hey guys, there's something to do, fellas. Hey guys, this is something to do, fellas.